Hey guys, what's up? It's Asha Cat. I wanted to just like fill you guys in on my installation process with my hood scoop. Import Image Racing was so awesome and sent me a few pieces, and of course I'm so excited about all three of them, but hood scoop is definitely like, it's getting me excited. So I was trying to install it and I thought it was going to be a quick and easy process, but you know, with my Subaru, it's always an issue that gets me, and it's bothering me so much because it's literally like the last step to getting my OEM hood scoop off. And I was so frustrated with myself the other day. I like broke down in the middle of my garage because I was like, I'm this close to getting it installed and now I can't, because I have 3 strip screws. I'll show you guys them in a second. I was able to remove one of them perfectly fine, came out easy, and then the other screws did this to me. As you can see, I got this one off, and these, like, I don't know, the camera can really pick it up, but it looks like it's shredded, and it didn't come like this. I did it to it, and I can't explain it. As soon as I tried taking those bolts off, like, I was so gentle and delicate with it, but it was almost like the metal was pliable, and it just started flaking off. So I cannot get them off for the life of me. Here's what I've tried so far. I sprayed the crap out of it with a PB blaster, and this is supposed to like break parts apart if there's like rust or corrosion on it, and it's supposed to just make it super easy. So I did that. I bought vice grips. I live like, I'm not even kidding, 2 minutes away from an Advanced Auto Parts, and I didn't feel like driving around all over town. These were the only vice grips they had. Tried that, it clips on great, but it doesn't budge. Someone recommended this kit for me. I got it off Amazon, which I think is really great to have in your arsenal if you're someone that's starting with cars. It's a bolt extractor kit, and it's a really high quality kit, but it didn't work. Like, it totally didn't work. And like, the bolt extractor will go over it, but nothing happens. Like, nothing happens. I tried hitting it with a hammer. Nothing. A couple of last resorts. I'm pretty sure you can drill through it, but I'm told that takes a long time. You need a lot of patience. Or I can apply heat to it, which I'm a little scared because, is there a raindrop just like dropping right into my engine bay? I'm scared to do the heat because can you imagine, like, I buy like a butane torch and I just drop it in my engine bay? The next video would be like Ash the cat blows up her Subaru in her house. Oh my God, I can't. So yeah, this is what the hood scoop looks like. I can't wait to install you. I know it's gonna happen. I just don't know when, but I wanted to keep you guys updated and let you know that I'm working on it, and it's a to be continued project, you guys. I'm not gonna lie, like day one, when all this was happening, like, it kind of just really brought me down. And then I sat and I thought about it, and I was like, you know what, that is like the process of being like a car person in general. You can have expectations that an installation is going to take like that, and then it ends up taking days. So I just know when it's actually finally done, it's going to be freaking amazing. And every time I look at the hood scoop, I'm going to be like, hey, remember what you went through to get it on there? And it's just going to make it so much more, like, I don't know, meaningful. That's just me. Y'all know I'm cheesy and dramatic, so